Hi! In front of me is Honor X8 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. Begin by accessing Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, you need to type in iOS Launcher. Then install this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Select Allow, and while using the app in the pop-ups right away to use iOS Launcher properly. So while using, allow. When you finished, just close Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Apps section. Then tap on Default Apps, click on Home app, and tap on iOS Launcher to apply it. Then select Got it. And as you can see, after that, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can always switch between your layouts by accessing the same settings and choosing Honor Home or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!